God, Milky John, don't do that. No, it's not funny. Give it down!
Sorry.
So, it seems your voice has not come back yet.
No, it hasn't.
Oh. Well, that other woman, Miss Piggy, run along and get her. Maybe we can do another investigation and find both of your voices.
Just don't worry about it. I'll do that. I'll just go do it.
Okay, go get her!
My head.
Are you alright down there?
Yeah, I just fell out the window, that's all.
Oh, nothing major, just a minor cut or bruise. Never mind. Maybe a broken neck, but... Oh, Miss Piggy, you're here.
Yeah?
Where's Milky John? Unfit as usual.
Don't know why he's like that. I let him ride on my back the entire way.
It's just the steps to the police office, I'm guessing.
Probably.
Just 3 steps. Oh my god, his voice has gone completely now. What do we do? Calm down, Milky John. Calm it. Calm down. Deep breaths. In. And out. And in. And out. Last time. And in. And out. Okay. Let's start with you then, Miss Piggy. What happened to your voice?
Well, I was told at home enjoying a nice toasted tea cake, and then a lovely man, obviously horrible, young, fit, sexy doctor that looked a bit like a sock came to my door and he rang the doorbell, and so I put my toasted tea cake down on the plate, and I went along and I opened the lovely round polished door. It was very polished. I just polished it. It was all sexy and shiny. I love that. Anyway, I opened the door, and he was there, and he went,
Oh, Salamoo. Oh, Salamoo. Oh, Salamoo, my frog moo. Oh, Salaba. Chicka brown. Wow, boss box. And then he shut the door and ran off, and then my voice changed after that, and it seems to be going. Oh, Milky John wants to give you a special hug. Yep. Well, do you know what this calls for, Milky John? It calls for another investigation. The Adventures of Milky John and Barnaby! Yay! Oh, my voice boxes! And there's more. But first, I do the experiments. You know, some acid. I'll just go get some later. Acid. I just brought this up. Now to plan more evil things. No, voice boxes to steal. Wait a minute. Can't you see the sign? We're closed. Take that and that. Help me. Milky John, help. Help me. Mother, help me. Question time. Right. Why were you trying to burgle us?
Now listen.
Liar! I'll ask you again. Why were you trying to burgle us?
I'm a burglar.
Liar! Final chance. Why were you trying to burgle us?
Now listen.
Liar! Smell it, no smell. Oh, do you recognise him? Think about it. You do? Who do you reckon he is? The man who stole your voice? Beat him! Did you steal Milky John's voice?
No.
Liar! Did you steal Milky John's voice? No! Liar! Can you have his voice back?
No.
Milky John's getting angry. Can he have his voice back?
No, Mommy, help me. Ah!
Can he have his voice back?
Yes.
That's sorted. Where do you live?
I'm never going to tell you.
Well then, we'll have to look in the yellow pages.
No. Ah.
Milky John, that's enough. Let's go find the yellow pages. What's that, Milky? You feel sick? God, well, we'll be there in a minute. Milky, this time there weren't any steps. Okay, calm down. That's your voice box, Milky. Don't drop it.
No, it isn't. Hello? Hey, Barnaby, I got my voice box back.
Yeah!
Yeah! Now all we have to do is kinda find the piggy Missy and give her back her voice box. I'm still not completely talking the same, but I expect it to sink in soon.
That's okay then. All you have to do is pick up the voice box and take it back.
I got the voice box back. Yeah!
Well, Miss Piggy, you found your voice box.
Yes, we did, Miss Piggy.
Have you done, Milky John?
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I don't want to go to prison. I'm too young. I'm too young to get bunny bummed. Oh no. Oh.
Bacon?
Yeah, can I have my... I'll prefer bacon pie.
Okay.
Yeah. Too bad, she won't need that voice box now.
Nope.